Good morning, students. I am your social science teacher, Mrs. M. Jaya. Children, today we are going to study 4th standard lesson 2. The title of the lesson is 5 land forms. 5 land forms. Children, in this lesson, you must know about different types of landforms in ancient Tamil Nadu and the themes of classification and the lifestyle of people in different landforms of Tamil Nadu. We see fields, houses, trees, stones and dry lands around our house. We see more things like this in our earth. Children, can you answer me? Where would you see more hills on the earth? Yes, mountains. Where would you see wild animals with more trees? Forest. Where does the paddy grow? Yes, paddy grow in agricultural land. Where would you see the seashore? Sea, beach. What is the name of useless lands? Fallow land. The places we see on the surface of the earth is called landforms. The places we see on the surface of the earth is called landforms. Now, let us see how the land was divided into different types in ancient Tamil Nadu according to its fertility and people's activities. In the solar family, Earth is the third planet. It has oxygen and temperature to live. Therefore, we call the Earth as biosphere. The earth or the life sphere is surrounded by 5 elements of nature called land, water, air, fire and sky. Children, land's physical feature also surrounded by mountain, forest, plain, seashore, dry land. Children, before that you must know what is a landscape. A landscape is an area of land which is unique because of its weather, natural of soil, plants, trees and creepers that grow in that particular habitat. Animals and birds live and adapt themselves to the environment. Tamil literature has classified our land into 5 landscapes. Each of these was named after a flower. The 5 landscapes are described as Kurinji, the landscape of mountains. Kurinji, the landscape of mountains. Next, Mullai. Mullai, the landscape of forest. Understand? Mullai, the landscape of forest. Marudam, the landscape of the agricultural fields. Neidal, the landscape of coastal regions. Palai, the landscape of dry lands. Children, the 5 landforms are Kurinji, Mullai, Marudam, Neithal, Palai. The 5 types of landforms in Sangam age were divided on the basis of the work done by the people. Out of the 5 Thinnais, only 4 types were permanent. They were Kurinji, Mullai, Marudam and Neithal. The 5th land Palai was formed when Kurinji and Mullai dried up. Now, shall we study about mountains? Mountains landform is called Kurinji. Mountain is a large geographical area that rises above the surrounding land with peaks. The mountain and its surroundings are known as Kurinji land. Can you get it, children? The mountain and its surroundings. The mountain and its surroundings are known as Kurinji land. Each landforms have their separate themes. In Kurinji, theme is, the theme deals with the God. First, you must know what is the theme. The theme, it is deals with the God, people, occupation, plant, flower, animal, bird and musical instrument. Okay, now see Kurinji. Kurinji landforms God is Murugan. That people Kuravar, Kurattiyar. Their occupation is hunting, gathering roots and honey. Their plant is bamboo. Flower is Kurinji. Animal is monkey. Their bird is peacock parrot. Their musical instrument is Kurinji yar. The land of Kurinji was composed of red and black soils with stones and pebbles. The miraculous Kurinji flower grows once in 12 years. The flower grows well in the Western Ghats. It flowers in the month of July to September. This flower has medicinal value. Students, now the next landform is forest. Forest. The landscape of forest is called Mullai. A large area covered by trees is called forest. The forest region is referred as Mullai land. This region is also called Sembulam due to the presence of red soil. Their forest, Mullai landform, their theme is their god Thirumal, the people Idayar, Idaichiyar, Ayar, Aichiyar. Occupation is cattle rearing, gathering fruits, sowing millets. Their plant is Goa, their flower is Mullai flower. Their animal is bear, rabbit. Their bird is parrot. Musical instrument is Mullai yar. Children, in Kurinji landforms, you studied about Kurinji flower. Like that, in forest Mullai landform, you are going to learn about Pichavaram forest. Pichavaram is a village near Chidambaram in Kudalur district of Tamil Nadu, which is the second biggest mangrove forest in India. It comprises of small vegetation, aquatic animals, etc. with most temperature. Now children, we are going to learn about the third landform is called field, that is Marudam learned. The vast flat land on the earth is called plain. The vast flat land on the earth is called plain. The crop fields and their surroundings were known as Marudam, the agriculture land and the area around it. Their theme is Marudam landform. Their god is Indiran. Their people is Ulavar, Ulattiyar. Their occupation is farming. Their plant is Marudam. Their flower is lotus. Their animal is buffalo. Bird is crane. Music instrument is marudayal. The land of Marudam is formed of alluvial soil and red soil. Children, next Neithal landforms. The landscape of coastal region is called Neithal. Their theme, their god is Varunan. Their people Parattavar. Their occupation is fishing. Their plant Punnai. Flower Kandal. Their animal is fish. Their bird is sea crow. Their music Villariyal. Villariyal. Okay children, I have some interesting topics